In this video, we will be talking about the golden ratio. We can construct the golden ratio on a line segment in 6 steps, which we'll be going through one by one. The first step is to draw a line segment using a straight edge, and the segment can be any size, and we'll mark 2 points on the page as A and B like shown here. The next step is to bisect the chosen line segment, which we can do by opening the compass to any size larger than half. And we'll draw 2 arcs anchored where we put the pointy end of the compass on A and B. Where the arcs intersect will be the middle of the line segment AB. We'll connect those points using a straight edge to find the midpoint on the line, and we'll call this point M. Step 3 is to create a perpendicular line at point B. So first, we will need to find 2 anchor points equidistant from B, and we'll open our compass for a small length, anchor your compass at point B, and draw an arc through both sides of B like so. Now we have 2 points on the line where we can use to find the perpendicular line to B. Open your compass slightly bigger. Anchoring on the new intersection points will create 2 arcs for both points like so. And now we'll use a straight edge to connect the 2 intersection points of the arc. Step 4 is constructing a right triangle, but the third point of the triangle must be the same distance as half the line segment of AB, which is the large side of the triangle. So use your compass to measure the distance from M to B. Then, anchoring your compass on B, draw the arc to intersect with your perpendicular line. We'll label this point C, and now connect A and C with a straight edge to complete your right triangle. Keeping your compass the same length, the length of MB, anchor your compass at point C. Draw an arc that intersects your new segment, AC, and we will label this intersection point as D. And finally, the last step will be to open your compass to length AD, anchoring your compass at A, draw an arc so that it intersects with your segment AB, and we'll label this point E. We have now subdivided the line segment AB in such a way that AB related to AE is equivalent to AE related to EB. If we were to measure and divide AB over AE, we would get a ratio that is 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, which is roughly 1.618. This is the golden ratio, or phi. Phi is one of the only numbers where the square is exactly itself plus 1. Its reciprocal, interestingly, is itself minus 1. But the most interesting property of phi is that it's self-propagating. This means we can continue to divide the larger segment into 2 sections where the golden ratio exists by using the length of the prior smaller section. And this can be done infinitely, resulting in smaller and smaller subdivisions.